Hello everyone. In this video episode, we will learn the exact steps to generate a digital person.
Today, Teacher Sean will guide everyone in using the first feature. The first feature is to create our own digital person, okay? Let's click on it together, all right? Okay, let's just take a quick look at this. This is a simple and very easy introduction to the digital human product, and everyone can watch it through conveniently at any time from anywhere. We won't watch it here. So the next one. So we only need 2 minutes. Then in the next part, it mainly introduces the entire process of recording this digital human, and below it will give you some suggestions and behaviors you need to avoid. There are two forms of creating a digital human here. The first one is relatively fixed, just like what is shown in the video, where you are sitting here without making any significant movements, right? Speaking eloquently like this. In this way, a relatively fixed digital human is created. What is the second one? In this video, it is the image of a digital human in a state of motion. So, you can also record and capture yourself in this state to create a digital human, depending on your own requirements, right? So today, let's take the first one as an example. If you're interested in the second one, you can record your digital human in motion offline after the class. Let's first look at the first one, shall we? The next step. All right, the next step is to upload your video. There are two ways to provide this video. The first way, if you have already recorded your own video, you can choose the first option here and click to upload it. The second option is to record directly if your computer has a camera. For convenience, I'll use the second method here and record directly through the camera. So at this point, I might disappear for a while as I use the camera to record my digital persona. All right, now I'm going to start recording the digital persona of the video instructor. So here, I'll choose the second option. Next, select your microphone and then your camera. All right, now I'll click record. All right, when you click record here, since it requires you to speak, you need to choose what you want to say. I choose it, for example, if I select English, right? I just need to read it once. It's a total of approximately 30 seconds. All right, okay, let's start. Smile naturally while recording. Hello, I'm feeling confident and relaxed right now. The lighting is good, and my pronunciation is clear. This process is enjoyable. I will smile and include natural and general hand movements. Close your mouth and breathe through your nose. My face is clearly visible, and I'm speaking at a steady pace with a natural tone, taking pauses between sentences. This recording is fun, and I'm in a great mood. I will continue doing my best until the end. All right, once the recording is done, it will be displayed here. Now below. First, the first option is whether to keep some of the background sounds in your video, or the ambient sounds around you. Here I can keep them because my environment is relatively quiet. The second option is whether to remove the background. As you can see, my background is a wall, a white wall, and there's nothing to remove, so I won't choose this. Whether to select 4K, this depends on your situation. I won't choose 4K. So the next step. All right, the next step is actually a consent, because after recording this video, the video needs to be uploaded to the Black Mirror server. It will analyze your video and then create your digital persona, which means it will use your likeness to create the digital persona. So you need to authorize it to do so. Therefore, we just need to read this statement aloud once. All right? Let's begin. I, Liu Tao, hereby allow Hagen to use the footage of me to build a Hagen avatar for use on the Hagen platform. For safety purposes, this is a passcode BTKR. Okay, after reading this authorization, wait for it to upload and complete. Now let's click next step. All right, after clicking next step, this is the final step. So it made an evaluation. Your video is less than 2 minutes. I think this is possible. Be a small bug. Because as you might have seen earlier in that video, it actually only gives you about 30 seconds to record, right? But here it requires 2 minutes, so this doesn't really affect much. So let's continue by clicking submit. All right, this video, complete directly. At this point, you give your digital person a name, so I can just use my own name. Okay. Now this video will officially start being made into a digital person. Let's wait for it a bit. Okay, now it has been generated.
That's all for this episode, and the next one will be even more exciting. To learn more about AI usage tips, please visit ctrlvai.com. Thank you.